Today we're diving deep into the brand new Fire TV Stick 4K Select. And honestly, this one's kinda rough. So if you're thinking about picking one up, you might wanna watch this first.
Let's get into it. Number 1. Less internal storage. So, the 4K Select technically has 8GB of internal storage, same as the 4K Plus. But here's the catch. Only 4.61GB is actually usable. Compare that to 5.29GB on the Plus. That's a noticeable chunk of space gone before you even install your first app. Number 2. No USB storage. Now, this is where it gets weird. Even though the interface acts like it might support USB drives, it really doesn't. Plug one in and nothing. It'll tell you to open a media player, but guess what? There aren't any available for this device. So yay, no expanding your storage or browsing files here. Number 3. No Dolby audio decoding. You only get Dolby pass-through, not actual Dolby decoding. That means if you ask Alexa something while watching a movie, it'll pause your video completely, instead of just lowering the volume like other Fire TVs do. It's small, but it gets annoying fast. Number 4. No Dolby Vision. Yep, no Dolby Vision support. Only HDR10 and HDR10 Plus, while every other 4K Fire TV has Dolby Vision baked in. Number 5. No Matter Casting. It supports Miracast, sure, but no matter casting, which newer Fire TVs are starting to include. Number 6. No VPNs. Search for VPN in the App Store and you'll get nothing. Amazon says support is coming eventually, but no timeline. Number 7. No games. And this one hurts. There's no games tab, and no games at all. Other Fire TVs have thousands of games and even cloud gaming options like Luna or Xbox Cloud Gaming. The Select, Zip. Number 8. No clear all cache or auto offload. You can't clear all app caches at once or automatically free up space. You've got to do it manually, app by app. That's painful if you're running out of room. Number 9. No install unknown apps. Sideloading on Vega OS is a nightmare. There's no install from unknown sources toggle, so to sideload anything, you need to register as a developer, connect via USB, and use a computer. Oh, and Windows isn't supported yet. Yeah, not worth the effort. Number 10. No Alexa Home Theater. You can't pair Echo speakers wirelessly for surround sound. Every other Fire TV model supports it. This one doesn't. Number 11. No dialogue boost or volume leveler. There's no way to make dialogue louder or level out the volume spikes between quiet and loud scenes. Something that's become a must-have feature for a lot of people. Number 12. Limited app selection. The app library is tiny. Just over 1,000 apps, compared to 30,000 plus on other Fire TVs. Even the original 2014 Fire TV supports more apps, and of the top 500 Fire TV apps, the Select only supports about 37%. Number 13. No photos. There's no Amazon Photos app, and you can't even ask Alexa to show your photos. That's a first for any Fire TV device. Number 14. Limited equipment control. You can only control basic audio devices like your soundbar. Forget controlling your cable box, console, or Blu-ray player. And there's no way to fine-tune IR settings. Number 15. Limited live TV sources. The live TV integration feels half-baked. Some services like Plex or Fire TV News just don't show up. And you can't hide entire sources in one click. You've got to remove every single channel manually. Number 16. No live previews in the guide. When you hover over a channel, there's no live preview. Other Fire TVs show you a mini preview window. This one just gives you static info. Number 17. No picture-in-picture. You can't pop up a small camera feed or video while doing something else. No alerts, no overlays, it's full screen or nothing. Number 18. No Alexa quick actions. Normally, pressing the Alexa button once brings up a handy shortcut bar for smart home stuff or quick controls. Not here. You have to speak every command. Number 19. Worse apps. Even the apps it does have, often worse. The Prime Video app doesn't show previews when browsing. Plex can't stream as many file types, and scrolling feels clunky, like it's still in beta. Number 20. Worse home launcher. Finally, the home interface itself. No genre filters, no actor-based search results that include live TV. It just feels unfinished compared to Android-based Fire TVs. So yeah, the Fire TV Stick 4K Select might be cheaper, but you're sacrificing a lot, from Dolby Vision to VPNs, from USB storage to even basic Alexa features. If you're a casual user who just wants Netflix and Prime Video, it'll do the job. But if you want flexibility, storage, or any kind of advanced feature, you're better off with the Fire TV Stick 4K Plus or Fire TV Cube. Thanks for watching. If this helped you out, drop a like, subscribe for more honest tech breakdowns, and let me know in the comments. Is this a deal breaker for you, or do you think the cheaper price makes up for it? See you in the next one.